It's Tracy Jackson, also known as the Spiritual Cheerleader, and I'm coming to you this morning with the Crystal Spirits Oracle unboxing. Ooh, yeah, it's getting in focus there. But this is the beautiful box. I've already taken the shrink wrap off, but I haven't truly unboxed it. On the back it says, "Do you love crystals? Since the beginning of time, ancient healers, medicine men and women, and shamans have highly valued crystals for a reason. Across continents and cultures, many legends about the healing powers of crystals have endured. Connecting with the crystals in this oracle deck is like communicating with beings of light, frequency, and energy, with different personalities who have opinions, ideas, wisdom, and special gifts to offer us. Each stone comes bearing its own message, offering us the power to align with its consciousness to co-create a meaningful, abundant life of healing and evolution. With guidance from the intuitive master and oracle expert Colette Baron-Reid, you can work with the Crystal Spirits Oracle to illuminate the way to your highest good." I really like the artwork on the top. This box is actually very similar to the box for Spirit Animal Oracle. So it's not a huge box, but it opens out rather than the traditional, just taking it off top. See inside here. The booklet is pretty nice size. Here are all the cards. And because I am me, I don't like to break this little seal, but let's go through some of the cards. Really pretty. They show up even better on the screen. I love how she has the faces in them. And this artwork has been done by her artist who has done pretty much all of her decks, I think, except for one, and I think that's Wisdom of Avalon, and that's Jenna Dea Gratalia. And it's really just showing off the stone, but I like the ones that have like someone in them or kind of have like a sense of something else beneath. I like that one. And some of the crystals in here are crystals that I'm not so familiar with, which is really nice because I really like learning through my cards. So I liked her goddess deck for, teaching me about some goddesses that I didn't know about. And obviously the spirit animal deck kind of teaches you about symbolism of certain animals, which I didn't recognize, but now I like when I see those animals, I instantly think of the message of the card. It's really pretty. And they're all numbered as well. They're in alphabetical order and numbered, so potentially the book will be easy to navigate. Sometimes I've had a couple of decks where things are not in alphabetical order, they're not numbered, and it is somewhat hard to navigate through to try to like find the message of the card when you're looking. It can be cumbersome when that happens. So I really like the fact that they've not only put them in alphabetical order, but also have the numbers. Really pretty. Yeah, and like I said, I'm not I love crystals. I have a lot of crystals, but I typically know, the main crystals that everyone else knows about, like rose quartz and selenite. But I really like the fact that these are giving me some different stones to really learn about, and learn their essence. And I'm interested to see what the book says. Look at the spirit quartz. Ah, really pretty. Sunstone. Whenever I see sunstone, I think of Game of Thrones. I like that tiger's eye too. Look at the watermelon tourmaline. Woo! Love, 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 love. All right. So in the actual deck, she does have like a table of contents with all the cards, with their numbers and everything. She has a little section on gifts of Gaia, talking about how the crystal spirits are gifts from Gaia, since the crystals typically come from our earth. She has a section on how to work with the oracle, some sample readings that you could do as well. And then she actually has a couple of spreads that she shares in here. She also did a reading for each of us, for this deck for us. And she asked like what we needed to know about this oracle for the highest good of all who would use it. She got selenite, which, selenite is a protection stone. It can cut through, cords and things like that, which is really nice. But it brings clarity, because, when you get that type of stuff off of you. The other card that she pulled, what will people get out of using it? She got black tourmaline, also very protecting stone. Next right action, she got citrine, which is a stone of prosperity, and one that I actually have on my desk. And then she gets into the card messages. I just wanted to, pull from one that we typically know about to see if it is the same as like what's generally known about that stone, or if she offers something a little bit different. Let's go with citrine. So for citrine, she has joyful expressiveness, exuberance, happiness, letting go of any and all negativity. I like this one. It's kind of, this book is organized similar to Wisdom of the Oracle, in the sense that it has an essential meaning, kind of the oracle message, essential meaning, oracle message, and then it has a relationship message that you can apply to the relationship. You also have a prosperity message, which can be applied to business, and then there's a meditation that is included as well. So it looks like these are all ones that you can read upright, and you get a little meditation as well, which is nice. I'm wondering if you do the meditation, if it comes in protection. So I'm just looking to see if she says in the how to work with them, whether or not they can be, yeah. So it says, so if you draw a card in an upside down position, think of it as an extra nudge from the conscious universe to be honest with yourself about your choices, emotions, and observations around the subject the crystal represents. Consider it a loving tap from the universe to look a little closer. There is no specific message when the card is upside down, just a hug from the conscious universe and a nudge to take the message a little more seriously. So again, this deck is organized and I'm super excited to use it now because Wisdom of the Oracle is my favorite deck of all her decks, because it is one that you can get a lot of different messages out of. And so this one is organized very similarly. The only thing is there's not an extra protection message. It's really just overemphasis of the upright when you get it upside down. So you can read these both upright and reverse, which is really nice. And you get all of those extra messages as well. So I think that's super cool. I'm super excited to use these and super excited to prep my deck. I have included as well, I have a video on my YouTube, and I'll try to link it here, of how to prepare your deck, how to prepare it to when it is a deck that can be upside down, be read upside down as well as upright. So you are welcome to check that out. Feel free to subscribe to my channel so that you can get information like that from me as well. Let me know if you've bought the Crystal Spirits deck, how you like the deck, if you will be buying it, what you like about it, what you don't like about it. I want to hear it all. And feel free to give me a thumbs up. I'd love that. So I will talk to you guys soon. Have a great one. Have a great week. And love you. Bye.